Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at what happens when you place manual items and then auto nest them. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we go back to the program. So in the previous video, we looked at adding some auto-nested items and then manually placing some other ones afterwards. Like we mentioned, you might want to do that for various reasons. Maybe you want a piece of the plate, a cutout of that with a stencil in it or something on that line. Now today we're going to be looking at doing it in reverse order. Now this is important to note because you might run into this and get quite frustrated. And I will demonstrate to you why. So once again, make sure you have your project set up with auto nesting must be under quantity nesting, and your manual placements you want under manual quantity. So I've got all of that set. So let's say I'm placing these items. Now keep in mind this could be perhaps, like I said, a more elaborate design where I'm doing a cutout in the actual sheet. And maybe I've got some words and some graphics around and I've done my layout just nice. Maybe it's individual parts, so it's not one stencil, but you place it together. And then you decide, okay, cool, you want to also add a lot of other parts to use the extra space to cut it out. So what's going to end up happening is now we've placed our manual things, we go to our order and we go nesting. You set this up the way you want. And then we click start, we've got a preview, and then once you click OK, it's gonna reset your manual placements, if you can see there. So we no longer have them. So if this was an elaborate design or something that took time, you're gonna have to redo all of it. So I would recommend first utilize where do you want your nesting, so you'll set that under your advanced and stuff like that. So if you want it placed on the right or wherever, place that, and then you come afterwards with your manual and then do the rest of the sheet what you want to be done to it. So that's why I recommended in the previous video the good workflow is first nest, then you manually place. So just a quick recap again, it's pretty much what I just mentioned. First do your your automatic nesting, and then you do your manual placement, and then your project should be good to go. But yeah, otherwise that is it on manual placement, then auto nesting. If we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.